Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine. Today in front of me is a 2026 Chaparral GTS 3. This is Chaparral's 23-foot surf model. You get a center ballast bag, Malibu surf gates, forward-facing drive. This boat comes with the extended swim platform. You have a large sun lounge back here that has 3 different seating configurations. If you lift this seat up, you have a full walkway into the cockpit area of the boat that you're only stepping on fiberglass. Under this seat right here is a 17-gallon ice chest. JL audio throughout the boat, silicone-based upholstery, large SIMRAD display. And then at the bow area of the boat, you have your anchor locker. Stop by our Tulsa store and check this boat out. For more new and used inventory, visit nicholsmarine.com or give me a call at 918-676-6868.